Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a custom object in Salesforce. From the setup homepage, we'll navigate up to the object manager. From here, we'll click on create and then click on custom object. For this custom object, I'm going to label it dealership. And then for the plural label, we'll give it dealerships. You can add a description if you want to describe the purpose of the custom object, but we're just going to skip that. For the optional features, I always select them all. It doesn't hurt to have these additional features, and if you don't want to use them, you don't have to. For the deployment status, we're just going to keep it in deployed. This means that once the custom object is saved, that it'll automatically show up in our Salesforce org. For search status, I'm going to click Allow Search. This will allow a user to search for various records related to the custom object. And then lastly, for the object creation options, I'm going to select both of these. As you can see, it says available only when custom object is first created. So don't forget to do it before clicking save. From here, this is where we'll select a tab style for the custom object. The tab is for adding the custom object to the various apps in Salesforce. So we'll click on tab style. You can select from any of these. I'm just going to select airplane and then click next. From here, this is where you can determine the visibility of the custom object tab for the various profiles. As you can see, we have two options. The first is apply one tab visibility to all profiles, and you can select from default on, default off, or tab hidden. The other option is apply a different tab visibility for each profile. For this option, you can select a different visibility for each profile. I'm just going to go ahead and select default on for all the profiles, and then click next. On this page, it allows you to select which apps in Salesforce you want to add your custom object tab to. As you can see, the sales and the service app. I'm just going to add it to all of the apps for this example. In a real world setting, you probably wouldn't add a custom object to every single app. You'd be more selective depending on the purpose of the object. I'm going to scroll down and click save. So now our dealership custom object has been created. To see the final product, we're going to go up to the app launcher. And since we added this object to all the apps, we can really select any to see it. So I'm just going to select service. And as you can see on the navigation bar, the dealership custom object has been created. If we click on this tab, from here we can create new dealership records. That's all I have for this video. The purpose of this video is really just to show you how to create a custom object in Salesforce. If you found this video helpful, I'd appreciate it if you give it a like. And if you're not subscribed to the channel already, I'd appreciate it if you subscribed as well. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.